I would like to talk a little bit more about myself in this video. I would like to share with you how much my knowledge in music and about my music career. I think it's a good thing for the student to know how much the instructor knows about his subject. So I've been playing piano for about 14 years, and about 9 years of my piano career, I was going to 2 teachers at the same time, and then I discovered this course. I discovered what I know now, and I applied that into my piano career, and I dropped those 2 teachers, and because I started excelling in music at a really rapid rate. Once I applied the things and material in this course, I started to excel really fast, and I played at a symphony. I started playing at choir. I started playing at different bands, different groups. I've been playing at concerts. I played in front of thousands of people. I played live many times. I travel around the world and play music. I played in Europe. I played in Asia. I played in Russia. I played in different parts of the United States. So now I teach music locally, music lessons, and also I write piano compositions and work as a freelancer musician. So I've been playing piano for a while, and I think my music career is solid. And what I learned at that moment, and my music career started to skyrocket, is I added the material in this course. We could call it the secret on how to grow on piano, but I would rather say that it's the material in this course. If you complete this course, you will play much better if you're already playing now. If you never played piano before, you apply this course, you will succeed, and you will grow, and you will play piano very well. So thank you for watching, and I hope that this was a brief introduction about my biography. And so you know who I am, that I'm capable to teach you about my music career and my past. So let's move on to the next video, and thank you for watching.